How to use Google Fit app. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. Start by opening and choosing your account. Once you have chosen, simply continue it. Now start by entering your weight and your height and your date of birth. And simply click on next. Now click on no thanks, or you can also turn that on. Now again click on next. So once you are here, choose your daily goals. So let's say I want to go with 5000 steps and click on set goal. Now on the top is your dial meter. So the light green color shows the heart points and the blue dial shows your steps. So now you have to simply scroll a little to this your daily goals. So simply click on that. Now you can simply click on steps and heart points to see how many heart points you have and how many steps you have taken. But if you want to add a new goal in your week, click on the plus on the top right and add your goal. Let's say week 1. You can also choose your activity, and you can also choose your start time, your duration, your intensity, your distance, energy. Once you are done with that, you have to scroll down a little to this weight where you can adjust your weight. And in the energy expended, if I click on that, this will show me how much calories I have by calculating my weight and my height. So if I again scroll a little, how much sleep you need, so simply click on that and you can read all of these articles that will gonna help you out. So yeah, that's the simple overlook on the Google Fit app.